Stop making flat, sad pancakes. It's time to upgrade to fluffy, golden perfection in no time. First up, grab your ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix these dry ingredients together in a bowl. Now for the wet ingredients. Take 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. Whisk them together until smooth. Here comes the magic. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and whisk until just combined. Don't overdo it. Lumps are perfectly fine. Preheat your griddle to medium-high heat. You want it hot but not scorching. Use a batter dispenser or a ladle to pour the batter slowly onto the griddle. Aim for circles about 4 inches in diameter. Watch for bubbles on the surface. That's your cue to flip. Cook until each side is golden brown and fluffy. Remember, patience is key. Don't flatten them with your spatula. And there you have it. Fluffy pancakes ready in minutes. Serve them with your favorite toppings and enjoy the deliciousness. Pro tip: use a griddle for even cooking and always preheat it. Pour the batter slowly and resist the urge to overcook. Happy pancaking! If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.